Ladies and gents, my name is Imran Mohammed and I am Project BIM Manager for HBK Contracting. HBK Contracting is one of the most busiest contractor at the time. They are doing Lusail 80,000 stadium. Then I am personally working on Ras Abu Abu Stadium, which is a very unique stadium which will be made of a container modules. And HBK is busy in many other very prestigious projects. We have a small engineering team within HBK Contracting, and I am deployed within engineering team and provide support to our site team for Ras Abu Abu Stadium and for any other projects which we are doing. Before HBK, I worked for AEB, Arab Engineering Bureau, as their first BIM manager, and I supervise the implementation of building information modeling right from the scratch in that company. Before coming to Doha, I spent about 10 years in New Zealand, worked in different capacities as an architectural designer, then later on I also worked as a lecturer for a while, and then I moved to Doha. I also manage our BIM user group, if you are familiar with that. We have a good presence on LinkedIn. We have about 2,000 members for Doha BIM user group. And I also manage QBIM, which is a BIM advocacy group, which we have formed few years ago. So let's start our today's presentation. This time I chose a topic which should not be very technical. We are not going to talk about how to do the modeling and what are the softwares, what softwares can do. But we are going to talk about BIM in contracts, that what are the things which we have to be careful about while we are taking up a project or signing up a contract. So here, as you see, this is a very wild, you can say it's a very wild path. And here, we have every step we have to take here has to be a very, very careful step. So we will go one by one, and we'll cover various topics. I think this presenter is not working. Sorry, gentlemen. There's always some technical snack in a presentation as important as this one. No, just showing the design. Sometimes it works, sometimes it stops. Shall I give you another? I have